In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add beats in CapCut PC. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, understanding how to synchronize your edits with the rhythm of your audio can make a huge difference in the overall feel of your project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use CapCut's beat detection feature to identify and mark the strongest beats in your soundtrack, giving you a solid foundation for creating dynamic and rhythmic video edits. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once the software is running, click on the Create New button to start a new project. This ensures you're working with a fresh, clean workspace and won't accidentally interfere with any of your previous projects. Starting with a blank slate is always a good habit for maintaining organization. Next, from the options available, select Blank Canvas. This gives you total flexibility to design your project from scratch without being confined to any preset templates. It's a great way to keep your creative process open and adaptable. Now, look at the toolbar and click on the Audio option. This is where you'll add your desired audio track, the foundation of the beat detection process. You can add your audio in one of two ways. You can either browse through CapCut's built-in library of tracks and choose one that fits your project, or you can drag and drop your own audio file directly into the workspace. Once your audio appears in the project, select it to proceed. After selecting your track, tap the plus sign. This step adds the audio to the timeline, making it the base layer for your editing process. Adding the audio here is crucial because the beats will be detected and marked directly on this timeline. With the audio now in your timeline, click to select it. Then turn your attention to the right-hand panel of the interface, locate and click on the Basic tab within this panel. This is where we'll enable the key feature of this tutorial. Inside the Basic tab, you'll see an option to enable beat detection. Toggle this feature on. What this does is allow CapCut to analyze your audio track and automatically detect its rhythm, marking the strongest beats for you. Keep in mind, this process may take a few moments, especially if your audio is long or has a lot of complexity. If you don't see the beat markers right away, don't worry, just give the software a bit of time to complete the analysis. Once CapCut finishes the beat detection process, you'll notice visual markers appear on the audio track. These markers represent the strongest beats in your audio, which will be your guide as you edit. Now, let's fine-tune the beat markers to better suit your project. In the same right-hand panel, look for the beat frequency slider. This slider lets you adjust how many beat markers are displayed. If you want more markers, say, for fast-paced or energetic edits, slide it to increase the frequency. Alternatively, if you're going for a more subtle or slower-paced edit, decrease the frequency to show fewer markers. This customization is an important step, because it ensures the beat markers align with the mood and style of your video. Once you've set the beat frequency to your liking, take a moment to preview the audio track along with the markers. This step is crucial to ensure the beats are aligning the way you want and that they match your editing style. If something feels off, don't hesitate to make adjustments to the frequency slider again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added beats to your audio in CapCut PC, giving you a strong foundation for creating edits that are perfectly synchronized to your soundtrack. This feature is a powerful tool to enhance the rhythm and energy of your videos, making them more engaging and professional. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or tutorial requests, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.